Good morning, we're at Magic Kingdom. We're doing character dining at the Crystal Palace with Winnie the Pooh and friends. Yay! So when you bring a bag in, this is what you have to deal with. It's important to remember this is for your safety. And I feel a lot better knowing that they're checking our bags and they have dogs sniffing. Yeah, that's totally cool. Be patient. Stay alive.
Mickey Mouse!
So we're at the Crystal Palace. Eeyore is coming. Looks like we're next. So far we met Eeyore and Tigger. They're so much fun. We see Piglet and Winnie the Pooh making their way around, so it should be fun. Well, folks, this is a stuffed French toast, and it is like really good. Take like a cinnamon donut kind of feel and put lots of syrup and sugar on it. It is really good, but it's very, very sweet. So we just met Winnie, so now we did everybody. Winnie, Eeyore, Piglet, and Tigger. Alright, we're just gonna wrap up breakfast, which was good. I would definitely do this again. Simple choices, but all you can eat breakfast buffet. Just so you're aware, if you're coming to Disney World, Magic Kingdom, I love the Magic Kingdom! Hi! We're headed over to Tomorrowland because our first fast pass for the day is going to be Space Mountain. Epic. So make sure you come along because, well, it makes it more of an adventure if all you guys come too. Let's have a magical day. Space Mountain. All right, we're gonna use our fast pass to go on Space Mountain. Woo! And we're in. Let the adventure begin.
Expected mothers will log in to participate in this launch. Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember,
that was fun. I love it. Traveling through space. Shop. Just go this way. We have a fast pass in a little while for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Woo! POV, baby. Well, actually, I think I'll do reverse POV. All right, I'll do both. I'll pivot. I'm flexible. I'm versatile. I can pivot the camera. Beauty and the Beast behind me. Be our guest. It's a small world, but not a small line. Strollers. So just a Fantasyland, and here's Haunted Mansion. Memento Mori. I remember doing the stockades when I was a kid. I'm gonna get a Coke. Tony will probably get a Sprite.
I'm just gonna get a Coke.
Oh, he's getting a Coke. We're just getting a Coke. To share. Sounds good. So we got our fast pass now for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and we are in the line. One of my favorite rides here. Oh, by the way, Space Mountain was awesome, of course. I don't know if I said anything at the end of that clip. So now we're gonna ride the Big Thunder. That's awesome.
That's what you need to focus on when you're on the big as a bucket.
Awesome! I love Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. We're gonna ride the train. Woo! Woo woo!
Feet and legs safely inside the train. As always, keep an eye on your movements. Powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else can you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA to the untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America? At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible.